is S.J. Darun. I'll take a seminar about multi-terminal HVDC system. Contents of MTDC system. Abstract and introduction. Type of MTDC system. Applications. Typical problems. Advantage and disadvantage. Abstract. The need for active network connection at both ends. It is inability to reverse the direction of current flow and its susceptibility to communication failure have been the downside of classic HVDC. The HVDC class the shunt capacitance or other reverse equipment, and then the AC filter, they both are connected to converters. After the converters converts and connected into smooth reactor and DC filter. Then it goes to transmission line and it goes to the end line. Here you have control system also. VSC HVDC, a react arrival in the arena of high voltage has attracted attention of developing multi-terminal HVDC MTDC system. Introduction. Multi-terminal HVDC system. A multi-terminal HVDC system has more than 2 conveyor stations, some of them operating as rectifiers and other as inverters. The simplest way of building a MTDC system from a existing 2-terminal system is to introducing tap pinning. Parallel operation of conveyors and dipole can be also be viewed as multi-terminal operation. Here MTDC is an DC equivalent of AC grid, which will have DC transmission network connecting more than a 2 AC to DC converter station. A task of extending 2-terminal system to multi-terminal system is not trivial. A complex of control and propagation increase. The uses of HVDC breakers is generally required in MTDC system. It reaches advantages in the emergency technology of VSC HVDC transmission, and application of MTDC system is became more attractive than before. A type of MTDC system. There are 2 possible type of MTDC system: series and parallel. The parallel MTDC system can be further subdivided into following category: radial and mesh. Here this is a series connection of MTDC system. This figure 3.2 is the parallel connection of radial MTDC system, and figure 3.3 is a parallel connection of mesh type MTDC system. Comparison. High speed reversal of power is possible in series without mechanical switch. The value voltage rating is a series system is related to the power rating, while the current rating is in the parallel connection system is related to power. Insulation coordination is a problem in series system as the voltage along the line varies. There are increased loss in the line and values in series system in comparison to parallel systems. Now we see about the explanation video of multi-terminal HVDC transmission system.
Multi-terminal HVDC transmission system is needed especially to transmit power from the offshore wind farm to the onshore grid. It also supports inter-area electricity trading, and with multi-terminal HVDC transmission system, the power transmission can be done efficiently with less cable, so it reduces the investment costs and also better for environment. Right now, HVDC transmission system is a point-to-point system, meaning that the power is transmitted from point A to point B or vice versa. And each of the manufacturer, they have their own control solution in order to enable the transmission of power. And this control solution is protected by patents, so it is hard for the existing point-to-point system to be expanded into multi-terminal HVDC system. The solution is to add an additional function to enable the integration of additional converter into the existing point-to-point system. This additional function has been implemented as a software and has been successfully tested using the black box model from one of the vendor. Basically, this function provides reference to the existing control such that when an existing point-to-point system is expanded, the existing control system doesn't need to be replaced with a new one.
Potential application: bulk power transmission from several remote generating stations to several load center. Asynchronous interconnection between adjacent power system. A MTDC system for interconnection is more flexible and economic than employing several two-terminal DC links. Reinforcing of a AC network which is heavily loaded. Some of the typical problems that have been considered for study as follows: operation of small inverter tap connector to weak AC system, integration of existing HVDC converter station in MTDC system without major modification is in control, evaluation of communication, reactive power and filtering requirements, power and reactive power modulation strength in MTDC system. Advantages: the power reversal in the converter is achieved by current reversal, which is easily arranged by control action without using mechanical switches. There is no problem of communication failures. It can even supply passive loads. The uses of pulse width modulation emits low frequency harmonics and simple AC frequency can be supplied. There is no need for reactive power compensation of VSC. Actually, a VSC can supply reactive power and it can help in the control of the AC voltage. High speed reversal of power is possible. Overall efficiency of the system is increased. Economic and environmental advantages are also there. Disadvantages: the large smoothing reactor may be required to help in the recovery of small inverter from AC faults. The speed of the recovery of entire MDDC system depends upon recovery of a small tap. It is necessary to consider the effect of mode shift and developed actions propagation sequence, particularly for fault in DC lines. Multi-terminal systems are difficult to realize using line communication conveyors. Future aspects: power distribution on vehicles, backbone of microgrid, offshore wind integration, supergrid, massive integration and transmission of renewable energy, AC slanting, splitting AC system into similar segment. Here, although the concept of MTDC system can be discussed for a long time, the implementation has been very limited. The complex in control and propagation have direct determined utilizing from experimental with MTDC system operation. Introduction of MTDC system requires extensive R&D activeness to solve the problem associated with MTDC system. It is anticipated that emergency technology of VSC HVDC transmission can be helped to solve many of the problems and encourage utilities to introduce MPTC systems. Thank you.